Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Matrix, a series of tutorial videos outlining a variety of Matrix AI network functions. This time, we introduce Matrix's new developer portal website. The Matrix AI Network Developer Portal is a platform for developers to develop applications on the Matrix AI Network blockchain more quickly and conveniently. The first version is currently online. Developers can obtain Matrix mainnet information through the API interface provided by the platform and develop blockchain applications on the Matrix AI network. The second version, which will launch soon, enables developers to freely build smart contracts through the tools provided by the platform and directly access the Matrix main network database to obtain data for convenient use. Let's have a look at the main features of the first version of the developer portal. There are three modules: Network, Tools, and API. In the Network module, the Matrix main network, the test network, and the private network are described in detail, as well as the specific deployment and construction operations. In the Tool module, developers can create applications using tools such as SDKs, IDEs, and wallets. In the API module, the platform provides API in RPC, JS, and Java, and details the steps and use cases for these operations. If you have any questions, you can discuss them in the Matrix AI Network's Reddit thread entitled Common Problems of Matrix Developer Portal and How to Solve Them. And that's it. If there are any other specific features you would like to learn about, please let us know in the comments below. See you next time.